Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by combining 1 lb ground beef with 1/2 cup breadcrumbs, 1 large egg, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan, 1/4 cup milk, and 2 cloves minced garlic. Add 1 tsp salt and 1/2 tsp black pepper. Use your hands to fold ingredients without overworking the meat. Stop when mixture holds together. Portion into 1 25-inch meatballs using a cookie scoop or spoon. Place on a tray and chill uncovered for 15 minutes to firm the shape and reduce splitting during cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add meatballs in a single layer and brown, turning so each side gets color, about 6 minutes total. For hands-off cooking, place meatballs on a rimmed sheet and bake at 400 degrees F for 15 to 18 minutes until the internal temperature hits 160 degrees F. Once browned or baked, transfer to a simmering marinara and cook 10 minutes so the meatballs finish cooking and soak up sauce flavor for moist results. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil and cook 8 ounces spaghetti for 9 to 11 minutes until al dente. Reserve 1/2 cup pasta water before draining. Add the drained pasta to the skillet with 2 cups simmering marinara and the cooked meatballs. Toss gently and add reserved pasta water a little at a time to loosen the sauce and bind it to the pasta. Plate portions. Sprinkle 1/4 cup grated Parmesan and 2 tablespoons chopped parsley on top, and serve immediately while hot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.